Our Hiligaynon word for the day is padayon. 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 When we say padayon, that means to continue, to keep on, to keep going, to keep it up, to keep on foot, to hold out, to carry on, to stick to prolong, to cause or to continue or to remain, to say. So that is what we mean when we say padayon. Padayon. Let us have the following sample sentences. Padayon lang ang imo ginaobra. So padayon is continue, and then imo is your, and then obra is like what you do, ginaobra is what you're doing. So padayon lang ang imo ginaobra, that means keep on doing what you do. Padayon lang ang imo ginaobra. We also have padayon ka lang sa pag-eskwela mayad. Padayon ka lang sa pag-eskwela mayad. When we say padayon, that's just continue. Ka is you, eskwela is like studies or school, pag-eskwela is your studies, and then mayad is well. So padayon ka lang sa pag-eskwela mayad, that means just keep on studying well. Padayon ka lang sa pag-eskwela mayad. Padayon lang ang imo ginaobra, and padayon ka lang sa pag-eskwela mayad. Padayon lang ang imo ginaobra, and padayon ka lang sa pag-eskwela mayad. So once again, when we say padayon, that means to continue is just keep on fighting, just keep on pursuing. Padayon. Padayon lang ang imo ginaobra, and padayon ka lang sa pag-eskwela mayad. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.